Hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen for another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. Today we have a subscriber inspired recipe. Miss Lisa Ann told me she was making meatloaf. Sounded really good, so I'm going to make meatloaf. Kind of going to use a little bit of her recipe that she gave me and tweak it with my little bit of my own, because that's the best thing about cooking is you can make it your own. So sit back, relax, and I'll get to cooking. All right, y'all. Let's get this meatloaf not loafing. Uh, I'm meal prepping, so we're gonna make a really big meatloaf. We're actually gonna start with 4 pounds of lean ground beef. Kind of break it up. Like I said, we're making a big meatloaf because we're meal prepping. So, okay, got that. We're gonna put about a cup of breadcrumbs in here. 2 packets of the onion soup mix, the beefy onion soup mix. We got 1 medium-sized onion, because I like onion in mine. You can put whatever you want in yours. So we got the onion in there. We got about cup and a half of ketchup. And then we're going to do some shakes of about a tablespoon probably. Yeah, we'll measure it out. What the heck? Of Worcestershire sauce. Wash your hair sauce, as I like to call it. And let's do a little bit more. About 1.5. We're going to put pepper to your liking. This is coarse ground pepper. And we are going to use a little bit of salt. I know the onion soup mix has salt in it, but a little bit more never hurts. I don't use a lot of salt in any of my cooking. And then we need 4 eggs with no shells. And number 4. Alright. Now, the only thing left to put in here that I like to put in mine, I think it just gives a little bit of a smoky, bacony flavor. It's bacon. So, like, the bacon kind of also helps kind of keep it a little bit moist. But so there's all of our ingredients in our mixing bowl. I'm going to use my phalanges and get it all mixed up. But I'm going to shut the camera off to do that, because you guys don't need to see me, playing with my meat. So here we go. I'll bring you right back. Alright, y'all. Got that all mixed up. We got our crock pot lined with a liner. Now we need to put that in there. So I'm going to kind of form it into somewhat of a little bit of a loaf in the pan here. Be it a big loaf. Now, this is probably going to fall apart on me, but it'll be alright. It'll still be edible. So, alright. Got that in there. And get rid of that bowl. We're going to cook this on high for like an hour, and then switch it to low for probably another 3 hours. We'll check it then to see how it's doing. It'll probably take a lot longer than that, but we'll just keep checking on it periodically. So here we go. Oh, I forgot to tell y'all, I'm going to slather the top of this with a little bit of ketchup before we put the lid on it and put it in the cooker itself. So just wanted to let y'all know that. Alright, y'all. Been cooking for about an hour. Oh, she's getting bubbly on the around the outside, so we're going to take the old meat thermometer tour. And I know it's not going to be anywhere near warm, but we are a cool 68 degrees. Go around the outside. About 115. About 125 on that side. Well, she's working her way in, so. Oh yeah, a couple more hours. We're going to click her down on the low and just let her simmer for a couple more hours. So there you go. It's what we do when we cook with a crock pot. Just sit back, relax it, do some other stuff. Alright, y'all, we're just checking this again. Just did the thermometer in there. Center's up to about 150, 155, so come along nicely. And it smells, it smells delicious, y'all. So I'll throw the cover back on it and let it cook for a little while longer. Alright, y'all, it's been a few hours. I've been out in the shop working. Come in, I smelt this, and ooh, man, I just checked it with the thermometer, and we're up to temperature. Means it's good to go. So we're gonna get, I'm gonna cut it into some chunks. We're gonna get it out of there, and we're gonna do our taste test. Alright, y'all, we're ready for our taste test, and we made up some mashed taters and some hot buttered corn. So let's get our grub on. Alright, y'all, we got our grub. Let's do the taste test. So I'm gonna get me a little piece of that meatloaf. Of course, I want a little mashed taters with it. So y'all, you don't know how bad I was craving this after seeing Lisa Ann post that little recipe she made of hers, the kind that she makes. This is hitting the soul. So, oh man, that's good stuff. Woo! So, all right. If y'all like this one, please hit that thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. It's free. It helps the channel out, makes it grow. So, appreciate y'all. Love y'all. And as always, bon appetit.